everyone, this is your mad yogi Eileen, and Scooter over there is a little sleepy, but we're very excited, at least I'm excited, he might not be. I am very excited to bring you a new playlist, which I am calling the Mad Yogi Espresso Yoga. They are really short, single pass-through of our flows, which of course you can repeat how many ever times you want if you want to. They are designed to just give you that quick hit to energize you if that's your intention, to relieve you of your stress and anxiety and worries if that's your intention, to help you celebrate the day. If you don't have any stress and worries, well done to you. But yoga isn't just for doom and gloom. It can also help us accentuate and celebrate what is nice in our lives, yes? So if that is your intention, they can help you with that as well. Or to relieve you of stress if you do it at the end of the day, and to set yourself up nicely for a restful, peaceful sleep. Now, I've repeated the phrase, if that's your intention, a lot. I just want to clarify and to explain that the physicality of our yoga flows is just 1/3 of the benefits that you get. The other third is for your mind and emotions. You don't get the benefits of meditation exclusively in a meditation practice. You can do that as well in a flow practice and even in a really short flow practice, yes? But that all depends on your intention. If what you want to get out of your flow is stress management, or maybe celebrating the joys in your life, accentuating the happiness in your life, that is what will happen, because we are rewiring our brains via the movement that demands concentration, demands synchronizing your breath with your movement. We're rewiring our brains to what you intend. By the way, at the end of the class, you will hear me say, you're welcome to come down into Shavasana if you want to, or we also have a standing breathing ending of our classes as well. Pick your choice. Again, enjoy the short classes, and I will see you in class. Bye!